Hi, welcome back with me in my YouTube channel. In today's video we will discuss how to edit PDF files on laptop for free. Seriously, it's free and you can use this method over and over again. Okay, first open your browser application. Here I use Google Chrome. Then open the website scjda.com. I will attach the website link in the description. You can check it after watching this tutorial. Then upload PDF file. Here I use a sample PDF file that I downloaded on Google. As you can see, you can change everything here. You just need to double-click on the place you want to edit like I'm doing in this video. Another interesting thing, you can also add a link that will go to your website. How to add a link? Click the link button at the top. Then mark the area where the link will be inserted. Then enter your website link. You can also add your signature by using this website. There are several options that you can choose to enter your signature. Besides that, there are still some interesting features that you can try yourself, but I think the 3 features above are enough to edit PDF files for free. Once you are done editing, click Apply Change and download your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out my next video. It contains a tutorial that will certainly be very useful for you.